Did you know projects can fail at the very end, not just during execution? Welcome. In this video, we're looking at one of the most critical but often overlooked stages in the project lifecycle: how to successfully close a project. Let's make sure your project doesn't just end, it ends well. Whatever the scale or type of project, every project comes to an end. That might be because the work has been delivered as planned, or because a decision's been made to close it early. Either way, closing a project properly is essential. Even if the project has gone well, failing to close it effectively can put the outcomes and benefits at risk. You'll come away from this tutorial with understanding why project closure matters and how to do it in a way that ensures nothing is lost and value and learnings are carried forward. We're also rolling out a series of practical project management tutorials, so if you'd like to keep building your skills, don't forget to like and subscribe. Watch the end of this video to get our free successful project closure checklist, a tried and tested method to ensure every project is wrapped up smoothly and effectively. When a project ends, successfully or not, it can be a significant moment for the team. For some, it may mark the end of a long-term focus or effort. At this stage, energy might be waning. Stakeholders and team members may be looking ahead to what's next. It can be too easy for attention to drift. So, there are not only governance responsibilities to manage, but also the human aspect to consider. If not managed properly, lessons learned can be lost, benefits forgotten, and the project's impact diluted. Step 1. Gain agreement to close. You will need to follow your own governance process to gain agreement to start winding down and to transition remaining actions to business as usual. Step 2. Take stock of what's been achieved. Revisit the original aims and objectives. Did the project deliver what it set out to? Many organisations use a post-implementation review or closure document. If yours does, use it. This helps structure your reflections and captures essential detail. Step 3. Tie up commitments. This is where you make sure all the loose ends are tied. Are contracts closed or handed over to the right people? Have all the invoices been sent and paid? Are the final costs checked and confirmed? Basically, have we accounted for everything? No surprises later. Step 4. Capture lessons learned. Your team will have identified what worked and what didn't. Capture this insight while it's still fresh. Not only is this valuable knowledge for future projects, it supports a learning culture. And remember, lessons learned isn't about blame. It's about building capability and improving delivery next time. Step 5. Release your team. Communicate clearly to the team that the project is closing. Make sure their time is formally released back to the business. If you're an APM member, don't forget you have access to over 70 hours of online learning content through APM Learning, including detailed modules on project closure and lessons learned. If you're not a member yet, check the link in the description to see how you can join and unlock these resources. Step 6. Ensure effective handover. Often, your team become the experts in the deliverables. Make sure that knowledge is transferred. Document everything that business as usual teams will need, especially if you won't be around to answer questions. Also, capture any future tasks or benefits that will still need to be tracked. These are just as important as the immediate outputs. Step 7. Celebrate success. Closure isn't only about processes, it's about people. Take time to reflect. Acknowledge the effort and the achievements of the team. Whether the project went according to plan or not, individuals likely grew and valuable experience was gained. APM tip: don't forget to log this project in your completed project list for your CV. It's a far easier way to keep track of your achievements than try and remember everything when applying for new roles. If you want to go further, you can access APM's short guide, How to Close Projects Successfully, available in the APM bookshop or free as part of your membership. To summarise what we've gone over in this video: gain agreement to close, take stock on what's been achieved, tie up commitments, capture lessons learned, release your team, ensure effective handover, and celebrate success. Subscribe to the APM channel for more videos like this and to stay up to date with the latest thinking in project delivery and professional development. Comment below with your stories and lessons learned about how you may or may not have successfully closed a project. If you have any questions, please ask below, and thanks for watching.